So that's the interlock with the earth switch. So I can close the earth switch. Okay, now we will try the reverse. Right now, the binary input 3 is high, so we have the permission. This is 132 kV Siprotec relay. Now we will invert this signal. So there will be no permission now to operate 132 kV. So this is 132 kV Siprotec relay. So now we have created the opposite condition. So as you can see, this is 11 kV Siprotec relay. As you can see, the earth switch close permission. Earth switch close permission, we don't have the LED. So we don't have the permission to close the earth switch. So let's check the earth switch again. Can we operate the earth switch? So this is the hole for the earth switch. I will check it. So I cannot press it. I cannot press it and open this hole to insert the earthing lever. Okay. So that's how it's interlocked. So we have checked the interlocking between 132 kV side and 11 kV side. So we'll also show you the input outputs of this. So we are getting this signal 11 kV earth switch close permission from 132 kV relay, and it is coming to the Siprotec relay, and the Siprotec relay outputs this signal on BO5, and it comes on the ABB relay X20 BI4. So let's show this. We'll show you this. Let's see this. So X20 BI1. As you can see, this is true. That means we have the permission. Now I have the permission. Yes. So no, but we. Huh? So as you can see, X20 BI4 is false. That is, we don't have the permission. So give the permission from 132 kV side. So you will see. So this LED is red now. So we have the permission, and you can see here this input has gone high, the binary input port. So actually the controller is the ABB relay. All the control of this specific panel, the breaker control, the switch control is through this ABB relay. So that's why there is a hardwired interface between Siprotec relay and ABB relay. So the Siprotec relay receives this signal through fiber optic from 132 kV side, and it gives this signal through hardwire to the ABB relay, and the ABB relay controls the breaker and that. So now we have completed the three signals which were coming from which come from 132 kV side to 11 kV side. So we have checked all those three signals. Now we check the other three signals which are opposite. Those signals are coming from 11 kV to 132 kV side. So let's check those signals. Which signal? This one. Okay. So I will show you this signal. It is on serial number 3. Okay. So what is this signal? 11 kV CB in open, 11 kV CB in service, 11 kV earth switch open, no fault at 11 kV. So this is the AND operation. These are 3 or 4 signals. So we have the AND operation of this signal. So if this happens, if these conditions are true on the 11 kV side, then the 11 kV Siprotec relay will send a signal to 132 kV Siprotec relay. What will be that signal? Close permissive to 132 kV. It means if these conditions are true on 11 kV side, then the 132 kV circuit breaker can close. So this is a signal from 11 kV to 132 kV. So this signal close permissive to 132 kV side. Let's check the full loop of this signal. So all this information is gathered by the ABB relay, and this ABB relay outputs this signal on X10SO1. So this is the binary output of the ABB relay. So the ABB relay is getting the status of the breaker, the 11 kV breaker, the 11 kV earth switch, and if there is a fault or anything on the 11 kV panel. So all this information is gathered by the ABB relay installed in the incomer panel. So that signal comes on output X10SO1 of ABB relay, and it is input to the 11 kV Siprotec relay through a hardwired signal. As you can see, this is coming on BI5 of 11 kV Siprotec relay, and this signal is sent through a fiber optic link to 132 kV Siprotec relay. Now how we are going to simulate this? We will create actual conditions on the 11 kV panel, and on the 132 kV side we have configured an LED for this. It's LED 1, yes?
Yes.
LED 1. For just for simulation purpose, the 132 kV Siprotec relay that we are using here, we have configured LED number 1 of that Siprotec relay to check this permissive signal, this close permissive signal to 132 kV. So this is a signal coming from 11 kV and going to 132 kV side. So that's why we have configured an LED on 132 kV Siprotec relay. So now let's check this signal. So what's the normal condition? Let's check. So let's normalize. I have a red indication here on ABB relay. It's because of the voltage. So I will inject the line side voltage. Now let's check any other fault. So everything is okay on this ABB relay. But the breaker is not in service, you can see. The breaker is in test position. Okay? So it means all these conditions are not true. So there are actually how many conditions in this signal? We have 4 conditions in this signal. One is the 11 kV circuit breaker open, 11 kV circuit breaker should be in service position, earth switch should be open, and there should be no fault on the 11 kV side. But all conditions are true now except this second condition, which is service. So the breaker is in test position now. So all other conditions are true. There is no fault. 11 kV earth switch is also open. I will show you the earth switch. As you can see, this is the incomer panel on which we are doing the test. So as you can see, this earth switch is open now. So this is green. The earth switch is open now. So and there is no red LED on the. As you can see, this is the trip LED on the ABB relay. So this is off now. So there is no fault on this ABB relay. And what else we have here? 11 kV circuit breaker is open. Okay, it's open. It's in service. So all conditions are okay except this service position. So the breaker is in test position. So now we should not have the permission to close 132 kV circuit breaker. So let's check on the 132 kV circuit breaker side. We have configured LED number 1 for this to check if these conditions are true on 11 kV. Then we should have a signal on 132 kV permissive signal. So we have configured it on LED 1 of 132 kV Siprotec relay. So let's check LED 1. So this is the 132 kV Siprotec relay. Right now we have configured this relay as 132 kV Siprotec, and we have also we have configured LED number 1 of this Siprotec relay as a CB close permissive. So this is 132 kV CB close permissive. Okay, 132 kV CB close permissive. So we don't have the permission right now because on the 11 kV side the earth switch is in test position. So let's put the earth switch in service position, and then we'll check the signal again.